So today we're doing my before and after video of doing just a essential offset and width change in my Fuel Maverick wheels. So here's a good shot of my before setup. 22 by 9.5 plus 20 offset, so they're tucked in a lot more. And what we're going with now, 22 by 10 negative 24 offset. So let's take a look at what it looks like as far as offset. So you see we're a good 2.5, 3 inches as far as how far it sticks out, and the additional 1/2 inch width also stretches the tire a little more. Also went with a gloss black wheel. It's dirty, but gloss black and milled instead of matte black and milled, and that really helps set the vehicle off more. Also made a huge difference to me personally as far as the overall looks of the truck. The plus offset that I had on my other set of Fuel Mavericks and the width was really made for a level truck. It was just tucked under too much for my personal taste. I think this really has brought it to the next level and made it a much more aggressive and better looking truck. So again, here's a few more before shots from different angles. And then again the after. Much improved. Please like and comment. Let me know what you think about my new setup as far as the wheels. And again, this is a 4-inch BDS lift. I changed the Ford emblem, had it custom painted black with magnetic for the Ford. And from a distance, you really can't see it too good. So I want to go with maybe one that's got the chrome Ford emblem in black, and we'll see how that looks. But so far, I think I've got the Platinum First Blood Edition looking better than ever. More to come. Nsheppard, the real deal Neil in the car business, anything auto, I got you covered. Accessories to sales. Willies Custom Accessories at Akins in Winder, Georgia. Thanks so much.